In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract pages from PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. This will take about 5 minutes, and I'll guide you through each step to make the process as straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll need to launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so first, as we require the full version for this task. Once you have Adobe Acrobat Pro running, the next step is to open the PDF file from which you wish to extract pages. Simply go to the File menu, select Open, and navigate to the location of your PDF file. Click it, and the file should open up in Adobe Acrobat. Now that you have your PDF open, look towards the top menu, and you'll see an option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on that. In the set of tools that appear, find and select Organize Pages. This feature is specifically designed to help you manage the pages within your PDF, making it a powerful tool for extracting the pages you need. At this point, you'll need to choose the specific pages you want to extract. Use the thumbnail view to simplify the selection process. You can use Ctrl+Click or Command+Click on Mac to choose multiple pages that aren't in sequential order, or simply click and drag for a range of consecutive pages. Take your time here to make sure that you have all the correct pages selected. When you've made your selection and are confident about your choices, direct your attention to the toolbar, where you should see a button labeled Extract. Click it. A dialog box will appear, asking for confirmation to proceed with extracting these pages. If everything looks good, just go ahead and click OK. After you confirm, Adobe Acrobat will create a new PDF file that contains only the pages you've chosen. It will open automatically in the application, allowing you to review your work and ensure everything looks right. Before you close out, there's one last critical step: saving your newly extracted PDF file. You'll want to head over to the File menu once again, click Save As, and choose a specific file location where you'll be able to easily find this document later. Give it a clear and descriptive name so you won't have to hunt around for it later on. And that's it. You've successfully extracted pages from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This straightforward process is incredibly useful for creating specialized documents without having to start from scratch every time. Practice a couple of times, and you'll find it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful Adobe Acrobat tips.